All right, so Acora. You guys have seen this. It was in a preview video. Let's take a look over here. Beautiful VAC gear. Oh, we got the whole room to ourselves, which is very rare in an Acora room. What's up, guys? Hey. So I'll introduce you to my daughter, who's wearing my custom hat.
That's awesome.
Emily, you got to show off the hat.
That's great.
Yes.
Looks like Maleficent's horns.
Yes.
Yeah.
I told them I wanted a hat with horns, and they made it, but it was too small, so now it's.
Now it's her.
She gets it. Yes. Yes. Go ahead. Yes. No, it's okay.
What was your name? Emily. I'm Isaac. Cooper and Emily. A pleasure to meet you guys. Glad to see you hanging out, right? We gotta have more young.
Yeah. So come see these speakers because they're made of stone.
I have it. I'm always
Now you know Miss Eve
So that's stone,
she would have a little fun.
like granite.
Yes. Yeah, out of Brazil. We call this a volcanic sunset.
Volcanic sunset. Okay, they finally came up with a name.
We finally have the name.
And you can only make a few pairs, right?
A maximum total of 4 can be built.
Okay.
No more than 4 pairs because there just aren't any more slabs of
Now
the
you
stone
know
available.
what
Gotcha.
Adam did.
And cool VAC gear. Which give plenty of power to these. I mean, we've cranked this thing up. Maybe we need to do that, show off.
We could totally do that.
It's,
Part of what's great about
What's
showing
up?
so much sensitivity.
hey,
You ready for the party?
yeah. My daughter's here. Have you met my daughter? She's wearing one of my custom hats. So that's Johnny.
Yeah, you certainly did.
So good. That's my daughter Emily. Val, this is Val. He's the one that makes these speakers. So what do y'all want to hear? Because he'll play anything. Huh? No Taylor Swift. Or maybe we should do the Make Us Stronger. Maybe since it's a little empty, we need to wake up everybody late afternoon.
We did wake a lot of people up earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Just remember me, darling, when I'm in 6 feet of cold, cold ground.
Oh, we're gonna do Thunderstruck. I think my chair is moving. I think that woke everybody up, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That sounds
All right, great job. Yeah.